YT back, man. Another cut dog. Kind of one touch to get to that. Alright. So on this one, we ain't doing no panoramic. None of that. Going with a G6 roof, but it's the moon roof. It's the one that slide back on top of the car. So we're going with that one, man. Customer wanted that one, so that's what we going with. And let me see something real quick. Yeah, and he already got the headliner. The process broke down, so I ain't got to worry about doing none of that. So we already got that taken care of. So all I got to do is just get the board, bring the board on down. And like I told him, I'm gonna go to the yard tomorrow and pull him the headliner board that come from a G6 moonroof car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that for him tomorrow too, so he'll have something to be able to put his headliner back together with. And but yeah, man, pretty clean car, man. Thing look real good. You already know what he's going with. So yeah, man, we finna get in and got down rock and roll on this car. You already got the brown hair on here. Might can fix that for him. I don't know. I gotta see. Might can fix this for him. But yeah, man, this ain't gonna probably be no long video or whatnot. It's gonna be pretty brief. I'm ready to see what that top slide gonna look like in here. I ain't did now yet. Take care of this thing, get it on out the way. Oh, cut dog. And oh yeah, it do got that act in there too. Fired it up for me before he left. Man, what that is? Sound like an old waltz or something was up in here. Yes, sir. So you got that act up in here, man. Like I told you, man, when I weld them in, I take both battery posts off. And I weld close to my area. That's something I learned now. You know what I'm saying? People put a lot of money in their cars, man. You can't mess people's stuff up. So, I'm trying to see what else, man. I ain't covered over this thing, man. I know I just got to go pick up a few little things to start on this project. And he got brown hair on here. He already got his top. He told me the color, but I'm gonna keep it a secret for right now until he send it to me, and then I'll show y'all the last of the last. He going straight to the body shop, body man, as soon as he leave me. So he on a tight schedule. That means I'm on a tight schedule. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing together. I'm gonna get this thing together tonight. I'm gonna show y'all the roof that's going in here. Going with that old G6 thing, man. We got the bug catcher in the front and top slide. I had a customer to come bring his truck to me, man. He had dropped his roof off with it, but I told him that it wasn't gonna work because of the track was too long and the motor back here. So I really had got this for free, man. So I just had to sit. So it came in handy for this Cutlass though, because that's what he want. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing rocking and rolling for him, man. I'm finna get ready to move my other car out the way. Probably move the MC out of the way and put it right in the middle so I can go and work this down and work it all night. Try to see, can I do me a 1-day turnaround, even though I just got it in the middle part of the day, almost like end part, dinner time type shit. So yeah. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when I start on I ain't gonna really say the breakdown process, but y'all still got to take the headline out of there. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I got it to metal, and when I got the roof cut down the sides, and I got my measurement. So y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. One touch. All right, YT. It's the next day, man. Late the next day. Hell, it been raining all day. You can see. Muddy. Got the old truck car. I'm gonna go grab the kids something to eat. But I got a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Measurements and stuff like that. I got the trim, I got the skin cut down the side, and got my marking. So I got everything. What I'm gonna do tonight, I'm just gonna go hard tonight. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. And you see the 50 ball is still checked up in the air. Cause they the tie shop, man, they closed up on me and whatever. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to go get the tie, about to bring them tie for the back today. They closed up because they had a little problem. I guess they knocked the valve stem off on the stack. You know, the 3-piece wheels, man, they got like 2 valve stems, so I'm gonna have to get all this situated. But man, nevertheless, man, we finna get ready to get this old Cutlass rocking and rolling tonight. I'm gonna have that hole in there, and I should have everything grinded down, the bare metal, to be welded up. So that's what I'm working on today. And yeah, man, we're finna get ready to rock and roll. Cut this whole thing off so y'all can hear me. But yeah, so we had this hole in here tonight, man, and we're gonna be doing some welding tonight too. So I do gotta check my weld to make sure I got enough wire. I might have to go grab some more in the morning, but I think I got enough to go on here to weld it because it's a smaller roof. So it's a big roof, but you know, it ain't like a panoramic. So yeah, man, I'm finna go on here get this thing together, man. I'm finna go get a bite to eat, and by the time I crank this camera back up, y'all should see a hole in here, and the skin should be up in there. But like I say, shit, I really can't work it on this hill. I might end up pulling the MC out and working the rest up under the carport. I just gotta check the weather out. But yeah, man, y'all just hold tight, man. I'm about to go grab something to eat, and I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Yes, sir. YT. We're getting some of that now rain, man. It's slowing my process up a little bit. But I got that thing up in there. Well, I ain't got it up in there yet, but I'm just saying I got it in there for as my cut. Got that cut up in there. So I already got the skin trimmed down as well. Got the old skin trimmed down. I did all that last night. Had to come in, man. It was raining too much. It was too much rain coming up under the breezeway. So I'm finna get ready to put the skin on in there and weld it on in, and run drain plugs, wire it up, and I'm gonna swipe it. And hell, man, this thing gonna be ready. I'm calling the customer, man. Come on, pick it up. Yup. About a couple hours of work. I'm finna go on knock it on out though. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when I got that glass sitting in there and it's wired up, and I'm gonna show you how that thing look and how it works. So I'm gonna cut y'all on in 1 minute. Alright, YT. Got that hole in there with the skin. Got my wheels on there. So got to grind it down. So I'm about to go ahead and hit it with some fiberglass. Hit that old thing with some fiberglass and put that old glass up in there. And then I'm gonna wire it on up. It's gonna be a simple wiring. Wire it up, run the drain plugs, and hell, we're gonna be rocking and rolling. The thing gonna be ready to go and leave. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute when I got the glass in. Alright, it's the later part of the day, man, and I finally got that thing off up in there. I swiped it with the fiberglass already. Swiped it with that old fiberglass, got it on up in there. She about to get ready and roll, man. One touch customs, baby. Yes, Sirski. So this thing here got this 2007 and on up to 2012 or 13 G6 moonroof. That's what this is right here. It just need to be blowed out. It been sitting. But that's it, man. Got it up in there, man. She got to get ready to get out of here. On to the body shop, man. Finna get that old candy thing on here. So, I want y'all to keep it locked, man. Y'all will see it back on the channel. I make them, you know what I'm saying, pull up on it, man. When he get this thing all the way. Make them pull up on me, man, and let me see that thing, man. Glowing with that roof up in there. But yes, sir. She out of here for now, though. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when the next one come in. I got I think I got a headliner job popping up. I'm just waiting on the guy to drop it off. And I got probably like 4 more old schools in a truck. And I got a 96 SS Impala. Well, the next week is the SS Impala. So I'm gonna show y'all that too, man. Real sweet car. Real good buddy of mine, man. Let me put my hands on it. So that's what I'm gonna do, man. Touch it up with this one touch, man. So y'all just keep it locked, man. Stay blessed out there. Stay motivated. Till next time. One. All right, fam.